Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from a data loss with HP support, beginner guide step by step clearly. To recover from a data loss with HP support, start by identifying the type of data loss you are experiencing. Determine whether the loss occurred due to accidental deletion, hardware failure, or a software issue. Once you've pinpointed the cause, power off your HP device to prevent further data loss. Next, visit the official HP support website to access relevant resources. Use the search function to find specific support articles related to your model and the issue at hand. If your device is not booting up, look for the Get Support or Contact Support option on the website. For specific recovery tools, navigate to the Software and Drivers section. Download any necessary recovery software recommended for your device. Follow the instructions provided in the software to attempt a recovery. If you're dealing with accidental deletion, explore the recycling bin on your system. Restore any files that may still be recoverable from there. If the files are not found, consider advanced recovery software that can retrieve deleted items. Make sure to back up your data regularly to avoid future losses. For hardware failures, check if your device is under warranty for repair or replacement options. If needed, gather documentation about your device and any error messages received. Contact HP support via chat or phone, providing them with your device details. Follow their guidance for troubleshooting and recovery steps specific to your situation. Document each step you take during the recovery process for future reference. After successful recovery, update your backup strategy to secure your data moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.